Yes.
Come on down! You got something bad in you, don't you, son? Eat you up, and you know in a hole in your soul. Are you ready for the healing? Are you ready for the healing? All right. That's what you're doing. He says there's someone here tonight who does not want healing for this boy. That be true.